Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling. Each of us both down in the crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fuss and no fight.
So guys, update time. So we came back from school and school went great, and now it's time for us to give you guys a little mini haul. So after coming from school, we changed our clothes, and usually we sleep because after coming from school our mind needs some rest and stuff like that, so we usually like go to sleep, but for now we are filming for you guys, so that is why we are like holding this camera and filming for you guys. And for the content, we are giving you guys a little haul. So yes, let's just do a haul quickly. So we are back. So it's what time is it? Guess. Whole time. So now we are gonna go ahead and give you guys a little mini haul. So it's not like that big, and it's also random. So just random stuff that we got recently, and we thought to show you guys because we have no content left in our videos. So just first we got these denim jackets, and we had one denim jacket, like and we used it a lot, pretty much last year. Yes, we got it last year and we used it a lot, so we decided to get some new one too. So this is how the jacket looks like, and it's like a baggy style, washed kind of a jacket, and it's pretty baggy style, and it has like these kind of strips. What can you say then? I don't even know. But it has like these cuts and stuff like that going on right here, and it has pockets too, which is a great thing. I love the jackets which have like pockets inside. And the jacket that we are talking about that we have already was like a little darker and darker denim, and this is a light one. So yes, it's a little like baggy style kind of jacket that was really like fit styled and stuff like that, and it's really cute. So yes, we got this, the first item. And secondly, we also got these new stuff. You guys know how much we love like room decor stuff like that, and especially like pillows and stuff like that. So in order to prove that thing, we also got another pillow. So this is a really nice pillow, which it has like these fur kind of thing going on, and it's really furry and really nice and really cozy. So it's fall season, so we can't use them, but we got it for winter decor, and definitely we can use it in winter or maybe in spring, and any kind of season we'll use them because they're a really nice light kind of pink color, if you guys cannot see it on camera, but this is a really nice blush light kind of pink, so baby pink almost. So the next thing that we got is again room decor, and it's the rug. So you guys can probably not see the whole rug in the camera but it's a pretty like medium-sized rug. It's not that long, and it's not that like thick, so it's like you guys look at these colors. We loved it, and it's like so bohemian, and they just give so much like boho style and boho vibes. So that is why we got this, because we love boho style too. So yes, that is a must-have thing. Like this, and so the next thing that we got are these pouches. These are like actually pencil cases, and so I remove the packet. So yes, you guys can see how furry and how nice they are. You guys can probably not see it properly, but here you guys can see it. So they have like this kind of fur going on, these ears, and they have like some holographic stuff, and which is clear, of course, and the zipper itself is really cute because it is a really nice circle. We got another one, but the thing is that we are currently using it, so it's in our bag, and we cannot show you guys because our bag is right there. So the next thing that we got is definitely a room decor thing again. And this is a really nice, like a cactus planter. So this is really cute, and it is made up of like ceramic material, so you guys can just definitely hear the voice. And we really liked it, so we picked it up. So. And you guys imagine a cactus inside it, or any kind of plant, succulent, or like any kind of like succulent inside it, and it will look so cute. Like camera, just focus on the planter, not on us. Can you please? Yes. So yes, that is really cute, and we love this. And that was it for the haul. Yeah. So now we will go to sleep because we are really tired, and we thought that we should film a video because why not? So that motivated us to just film this video. But still, we need some sleep, so we're gonna sleep, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. So you guys, look at these rainbows, and you guys look at these, and we're going to show you guys how we are making this rainbow. So we got these notebooks, and these are the reason for this. Hey guys, welcome back, and there's a little update that we woke up and we ate our food, and then we did something, which is used our phone because our camera battery was too low, so we decided to like charge it up before we start the vlog again. So yes, here we are vlogging for you guys, and we have made a to-do list. So before that, we want to tell you guys something, which is that we studied a bit after like waking up, and we are gonna insert the montages right now so you guys can see that. But before that, I want to tell you guys that if you are thinking that why we are studying on our bed, that is because we really like to study on our bed. I don't know what kind of thing this is, but we really like feel cozy while studying on our bed, not on our study table. Like we do study on our study table, but otherwise we use it to stack our books and stuff like that. So just enjoy the montage that we made while studying. So
A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called.
Okay, so I hope you guys saw the montage of us studying, and if you're thinking that we have completed our homework, we have not. Yes, because like the homework is like never ending thing, and I don't even know if it's happening with us only or you guys too, but we get a lot of homework. So yes, we have to do homework afterwards, like after filming this video too, so don't worry. Yes. We will not show you guys the uninteresting part of our life. So yes, we'll definitely study a little more, and we'll not show you guys because we cannot show you guys everything we do. Yes. So yes, that will be like too boring. You will see us. So as I told you guys that we have made a to-do list, so she'll show you guys what she had added in the to-do list because she had made it. So yes. So guys, this is our to-do list, and I'm gonna just like take or cut whatever stuff we have done. So we are doing the filming currently, so we don't need to include it right now. And also we kind of studied, so it's gonna go like this. So we have done this, and also we have to go to shopping, and we may or may not go to shopping. So yes, it's on our to-do list, but I don't know, it depends on our mood also, and also because of like COVID going on, we cannot like vlog there because of the fact that we cannot like sanitize the camera afterward. So we don't know about shopping yet, and also we have to do late night editing of this video. So yes, that is that. Okay guys, so what we are thinking of doing is to play some games because of course, why not? This is our only entertainment, so we are thinking of playing like this game Among Us, and yes, we'll play this game, and we'll catch you guys in later. So yes.
We fell in love in the winter.
Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if it did, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video, and also don't forget to follow us on our Instagram, which is DIY Twins, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.